Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll show you the procedure on how can you fix battery drain on Galaxy Watch 6 or 6 Classic. In order to fix it, you want to make sure to watch this video right till the end. To address battery drain on your Galaxy Watch 6 or 6 Classic, consider turning on the power saving mode. So this reduces battery consumption by limiting your CPU's speed, decreasing brightness, and disabling some of the certain features like always on display or AOD and Wi-Fi as well. Now AOD constantly displays the time when can significantly drain battery according to Samsung article as well. In order to reduce brightness to a lowest level, you could comfortably see or enable auto brightness to adjust based on and set out a shorter timeout to reduce screen on time as well. After which, you could also try closing unused app. For that, you want to swipe up from the watch screen to view open app, then close the ones you are using. And you could also try removing apps that are no longer in use. Try uninstalling it or try removing it. That should be able to help you out as well. The other thing, what you could do is you could also reduce the number of notifications you receive on your watch according to Samsung article as well. Likewise, you could turn off the options to show notification with details on watch screen. That would be able to help you out as well. The other way to fix it is by turning on your Bluetooth, by turning off unused features such as disabling Bluetooth when not in use, disabling or turning off Wi-Fi when not in use or connected. You could also disable GPS when not tracking activity. The other way you could do is consider a darker watch face. That the darker watch face generally use fewer pixels, which can save battery. Or else you could also try updating a software that should be able to help you out. These are some of the ways you could fix it. So I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.